Mom, something smells amazing. What are you making?
Pasta. Can you hand me that wooden spoon? It's right behind you.
Sure. Do you need help with anything else?
Yes, actually. Can you chop those onions for me?
Ugh, onions? They make me cry every single time.
Stop being dramatic. Put them in the freezer for 5 minutes first. It helps.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, I'll try.
Good. And while you're at it, can you also set the table?
That's 2 jobs, Mom.
And this is dinner for 4. We're even.
Ryan, are you done with your homework?
Almost. I just have one more page.
You said almost 2 hours ago.
I got distracted. I was looking something up for school and then I ended up on YouTube.
That happens every time. Hand me the tablet.
Dad, I need it for school.
Finish the homework first, then you'll get it back. Deal?
Fine. Deal. But can I have a snack first?
There's fruit in the kitchen. Grab something quick and come right back.
You're stricter than my teacher, Dad.
Your teacher doesn't love you as much as I do.
Lily, get your shoes on. We have a doctor's appointment in 20 minutes.
Do I have to? I feel fine now.
You said that last time and ended up with a fever for a week.
Will there be any shots?
Maybe. But if you're brave, we'll stop for ice cream on the way back.
What flavor?
Any flavor you want.
Okay then, let me get my shoes.
That's my girl. Don't forget your jacket too.
Dad, can we please get a dog? All my friends have one.
A dog is a big responsibility, Jake.
I know. I'll feed it, walk it, bathe it, everything. I promise.
You also promised to clean your room every week. How's that going?
That's different.
How is it different?
Because I actually want a dog.
Okay, keep your room clean for 1 month. Then we'll talk about the dog.
1 month? That's so long.
A dog lives for 15 years. 1 month isn't that long.
Fine, starting tomorrow.
Starting today.
Emma, it's almost 9. Get up.
5 more minutes, Mom.
You said that 30 minutes ago.
But it's Saturday.
I know, but we have Grandma's birthday lunch today, remember?
Oh no. What time is it?
8:55. And we leave in 1 hour.
1 hour is enough. I'll be ready.
Famous last words. Get up now, please.
Okay. I'm up. I'm up.
Sam, come here for a second.
What's up, Grandpa?
Did you water the plants this morning?
I thought it was going to rain, so I skipped it.
Sam, it hasn't rained in 4 days.
The sky looked cloudy, though.
Cloudy doesn't mean rain. Look at the tomatoes. They're drooping.
Oh no. Are they going to die?
Not if we water them right now. Grab the hose.
I'm on it. Sorry, Grandpa.
It's okay. Just remember, plants can't ask for water. We have to check on them.
Did you get everything on the list?
Yes. Well, most of it.
Most of it. What did you miss?
Eggs. They were out of stock.
Out of stock. The whole store had no eggs.
I may have forgotten to check the other aisle.
We needed eggs for dinner tonight.
I'll go back and get them. I'm sorry.
Next time, call me from the store if you're unsure.
Deal. I'll be back in 15 minutes.
Get some milk while you're at it.
That wasn't on the list.
It's so boring today. There's nothing to do.
We could play a board game.
I always lose at board games.
That's because you never pay attention.
Or we could watch a movie.
Last time we picked a movie together, we argued for an hour.
Your taste in movies is terrible.
Excuse me? I have amazing taste.
Fine, you pick the movie. But I get to pick the snacks.
Deal. but no chips. The crunching drives me crazy.
Fine, popcorn it is.
Hey, it's Mom's birthday next week. Should we do something?
I was thinking the same thing. What about a surprise dinner?
She hates surprises, Ben.
Right. She does hate surprises. What about a cake and dinner at home?
Simple but nice. Who's baking the cake?
Not me. I burned the last one.
I'll bake it. You handle the decorations.
Perfect. And let's get her that book she's been talking about.
Great idea. She'll love that. Should we invite anyone else?
Let's keep it small. Just family.
Agreed. She'll appreciate that more than a big party.